So this is number 4 out of netting for the day. Louise has just rescued this one. And this one was in really horrible netting. It was the large aperture.
Slice and dice.
Slice and dice, what we refer to as
somewhere here.
Slice and dice. It's alright. Doesn't matter.
There it is.
Oh, that's hideous stuff. Oh, that is awful.
Plastic.
Plastic, cheap, horrible plastic netting. That's disgusting. And look, this is the face of netting. This is what happens when people use this horrible stuff. So, has the netting been removed?
No.
Well, because the man wasn't there.
That's right.
So Louise is going back and see if she can talk him into doing the right thing and removing the dangerous netting.
But I don't think he cares. There were holes in the other. There were holes in it.
Which means that he's had bats in there before and he's cut them out.
Yep.
So this is, you know, people say, can't we change things and why aren't we doing anything? But this is why it's just so difficult. Look, 99% of people are decent people and they want to change it, but unfortunately there's also some people who really don't care. So we've just got to work a little harder with those people.
Older people.
That's a bit naughty.
I know.
That's naughty. Okay, we'll get this one settled and please don't use large aperture netting. Anything you can poke your finger through, it's just so dangerous, and this is a result. And that is really hideous, that stuff. Geez, I don't think I've even seen that one before. Horrible. Okay. And you can just stuff your little face with mango, darling.